Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I'm going to be taking a look at these headphones from Cowin. So, I'm sure you've heard of Cowin, very popular on Amazon and other places. Really good headphones for the price. And these are the Cowin SE7 active noise canceling wireless headphones. So if you want to check Cowin out, you can go to their website at cowinaudio.com or find them on Instagram at Cowin Audio, Facebook at Cowin Electronics. Now, I do have to thank Cowin for sending this to the channel for an unboxing and an honest review. Appreciate it. Makes my job easier to bring products to you when I don't have to go out and buy everything all the time. So definitely appreciate that. So what I'm going to be doing today, obviously, do an unboxing, do a first look at this, take a look at what you get in the package, try them on, give a little bit of thoughts on the comfort, and then I'll use them like I do on most of my other headphone reviews. I'll use them for a few days, combination of like work calls and listening to music and all kinds of stuff like that. And then I'll tack on to the tail end of this video with my thoughts and overall opinions if I ran into any issues, and just kind of give the rundown on my experience, right? So that's the plan of attack here. So we'll just go ahead and jump in, open this up, see what we get. Not spend a ton of time talking because people keep telling me I talk too much, which is funny because I don't think I talk that much at all. So you get a black box, kind of a iridescent metallic outline on the front for the headphones. Now I have tried a bunch of different headphones in the past on the channel, mostly from like companies like Treblab and Tautronics and others like that, and have always wanted to check out Cowin, but just never have gotten around to it. So you get a couple things in here, a couple cards. Basically, maximum charging voltage is 5 volts, so don't put a big charger on there. You can register your warranty. Thank you for purchasing. Yeah, just quick instructions for connecting to phones and TVs and all kinds of things like that. Obviously, these are Bluetooth. So, and a bigger manual talking about everything. So as I mentioned, these are Bluetooth 5 headphones. So they're wireless, obviously. There's also a 3.5 millimeter audio cable, so you can plug them in. They feature noise cancellation, like I said, Bluetooth 5, aptX as well, and supposedly an advanced microphone system, at least according to their marketing materials. And that's something I always find a little iffy on different headphones, is they might sound awesome and they might have all these great features and noise cancellation, but often they have crappy microphones. So if you're on a phone call with somebody, I'm on tons of conference calls for my daily job, and often people are like, hey, you sound like you're underwater in a subway, on some of these different headphones. And, it's really important to have a decent microphone so that people can actually hear you. So these are supposed to have really good microphones, so I'm going to test them, when I do the actual tests over the next few days, and I'll let you know if it sounds good or not. All right, so you get a few things here. I don't even know if planes use these things anymore. Times I've flown over the past few years, I haven't even seen these in there. But anyways, so you get the kind of plane adapter thing. You get a larger jack adapter if you have a stereo receiver or other sort of thing that you want to plug this into. You get your micro USB charging cable. So to charge these, you need micro USB, so you can do that with that. And then you have your headphone cable. So this is to connect to a device that has a headphone jack. So I don't know, most phones don't have headphone jacks anymore. You need dongles on Apple and on iPhones and all that stuff. But if you want to, you can plug it in. Or if you want to plug it into your computer, you can plug it in. So you get that stuff, and you get a nice carrying case, right? So nice carrying case, little tab on here. You can hook it on something, zip it up. So that's good. Now, if you look at these, they look like Bose headphones. They kind of remind me of my Bose Quiet Comfort 35s. And they remind me of. So they kind of fold out, expand. Very positive feeling adjustment there. So it does have this fake leather pad for the top of your head, which is nice. And then very, very soft, ear pads, which are really nice. Now, that's always something that I hate on some other different manufacturer headphones is they make these things too stiff, or they make them out of some material that, makes you sweat really bad or something. Now, these feel much like the Bose ones on my other headphones, which I really like. So that's nice. You get your multiple angles of adjustment. So, however you put these on your head, they should adjust and fit nicely. So there's no logos or anything like that, other than just a little bit of a Cowin thing there. It's kind of got a nice look. It's got this cool spirally pattern on the ear piece itself. So on this side, there's not really anything there. Looks like a microphone pickup here. I don't know if you can see that. Same thing on the other side. And then you have all of your connections. So you have your USB, micro USB connection. You have your 3.5 millimeter jack. You've got a couple buttons for probably power and navigating, next and forward and back and all that. And then you have a switch for turning the noise cancellation on and off. Yeah, and that's it. So I'll just show you really quick what these look like. Obviously they cover my whole ears. And they're very comfortable. Yeah, very comfortable. So that's basically it. I mean, that's what they look like. And as you saw at the beginning, they kind of fold back up into a nice compact little package and fits back into the case. So overall, I mean, they feel really good. And there's really not any metal in these, so it is mostly like a composite material. I think it's all pretty much like a plastic, except for, this sort of thing here, but on the back side that's plastic also. Mostly this composite plastic. But again, I mean, this kind of stuff, it's very much like, any of the headphones you're going to see. They're lightweight, but it's that you can feel it's like a dense material. It doesn't feel cheap. So it looks nice matte satin finish, not too glossy, not too matte. So yeah, it looks pretty good. So as I mentioned, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to jump over to the computer. I'm going to test these out for a few days, listen to some music, listen to some conference calls, talk on some conference calls, and kind of really wear them and check them out. And then I will finish up the review with some comments on the computer. So we'll jump over there right now. Hey everybody, so I've been using these for the past week and I'm very impressed. Very impressed by these headphones. I've used them to listen to music, to take phone calls. I've been on a bunch of WebEx and Zoom calls over the course of a few days for work and listening to music, listening to YouTube on my phone via the headphones. I paired it to my MacBook Pro and was listening to music there as well. And I have to say that these are overall probably the second best set of headphones that I actually have. And like I said earlier, I compared them to the Bose Quiet Comfort 35s. And those are just, to me, those are like the gold standard, at least for me. I'm not an audiophile, so I'm sure there's folks out there that say that even the Bose are terrible or they suck or something like that. But I've never really used really, really high-end headphones that cost, hundreds and thousands of dollars or whatever. So my reference is the Bose Quiet Comfort 35s for me as to like what I think are really good headphones. Okay. So taking that in consideration, I did do some back and forth connected to my iPhone, listen to some music on the Bose Quiet Comforts, listen to the same music on the Cowin SE7s. And really, I mean, the Bose I still think sound a little bit better. They have a little bit more crisp mid and high, kind of all around with the bass range. But the Cowins are very close. Have a good bass. They have good presence. The noise canceling works really well. And it's just, they're overall, I think a really good solid set of headphones. Now, if I compare the price, I mean, the Bose are 2.5, 3 times as much as the Cowins, but they don't really sound 2 or 3 times better. So from that perspective, the price to performance ratio, I guess, for the Cowin SE7s is really pretty good. Battery life was good. I asked a bunch of people when I was on calls, like, hey, can you hear me? Can you understand me? Is there any muffling sound or anything like that? And they all just said, no, sounds clear, sounds good. And I did use, like I said, Zoom. I used WebEx and Teams, Microsoft Teams. So some of my meetings are on Teams as well, and had no problems in any of those circumstances using the headphones. Also plugged it in to my computer speakers to listen. Sounds the same. Overall, just really good. Really good, solid set of headphones. Battery life was good. I haven't charged them all. I used them all week. In a bunch of different circumstances, and the battery, hasn't gone out. I mean, it hasn't run out of battery yet. So I do think it's low, but it's, it lasted a good 4 days of on and off use, not constantly all day long, but again, it's in between listening to some music, being on phone calls, and that sort of thing, like I said. So I definitely recommend this. Like I said, nothing but really good feedback, I think, from my standpoint. I'm going to continue to use this over the course of the next few weeks and whatever. And if I have any issues or need to kind of circle back, I will do that, either, making another video or making some comments below on this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and post those below. I will link to this in the description, so be sure to check it out and go to cowinaudio.com, check out their website. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish way to love you more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Attribution, we held on to so tight. To me it was clear, but you lied to me.